The American dream, a beacon of hope, a promise of opportunity. It stands as a symbol of freedom and prosperity, inviting all who dare to dream. It beckons from across oceans, a testament to hard work and perseverance. The dream calls out to those willing to put in the effort, to those who believe in the power of determination. For generations it has drawn dreamers and doers, all seeking a better life. Families have crossed borders, leaving behind the familiar to embrace the unknown, all in pursuit of this dream. This dream, while powerful, can feel distant. The path may seem long and complex, fraught with uncertainty. The journey is often filled with obstacles, making the dream seem just out of reach. But what if there was a way to make this dream more attainable? To bridge the gap between aspiration and reality? Imagine a world where the steps to achieve this dream are clear and within reach. Navis Automation understands this desire. They know the challenges and complexities of immigration. They recognize the hurdles that stand in the way and are committed to helping individuals overcome them. And they offer a solution, a way to navigate the intricate process with confidence and clarity. With their expertise, the American dream is not just a distant hope but a tangible reality, within reach for all who seek it. Immigration paperwork can be daunting. Forms, regulations, deadlines, a maze of complexity. This process can feel overwhelming, filled with uncertainty and potential for error. It can stall dreams and delay aspirations. Navis Automation simplifies this journey. They provide clarity amidst confusion. Their platform streamlines the process, breaking down barriers with innovative technology and expert guidance. No more sifting through endless documents or struggling with confusing jargon. Navis Automation makes immigration accessible, understandable, and achievable. The I-134A form is a crucial step. It represents support, a commitment to help newcomers thrive, but navigating its intricacies can be challenging. Navis Automation understands this. Their platform simplifies the I-134A process. It guides you step by step, ensuring accuracy and completeness. No more second guessing or fear of rejection. With Navis Automation, you can approach this crucial stage with confidence, knowing you have the tools and support to succeed. Section 4. Streamlining success, efficiency, and expertise combined. Time is precious, especially when pursuing a dream. Every second counts and every moment matters. Navis Automation values your time and streamlines the immigration process for maximum efficiency. They understand the importance of swift and accurate processing. Their platform is designed for ease of use and eliminates unnecessary delays. With intuitive features, it simplifies complex procedures. But technology is only part of the solution. It's the combination of advanced tools and human expertise that makes the difference. Navis Automation also provides access to expert guidance. Their experienced professionals are dedicated to helping you navigate the process smoothly. Their team of immigration specialists is ready to answer your questions, offering insights and solutions tailored to your unique situation. Offering personalized support every step of the way, they ensure you have the resources and assistance needed to achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. Section 5. Empowering your future. Confidence in every step. The American dream is about more than just reaching a destination. It's about the journey, the experiences, and the growth along the way. And with Navis Automation, that journey is empowered, enriched, and made smoother. You gain confidence knowing you have a partner by your side, a partner dedicated to making your dream a reality every step of the way. From simplifying complex forms to providing expert guidance, Navis Automation is your ally, ensuring you never feel lost or overwhelmed. They empower you to navigate the immigration process with clarity and confidence, turning challenges into opportunities. They help you unlock your full potential and embrace the opportunities that await, celebrating every milestone with you. With Navis Automation, you are not just a client. You are part of a community that supports and uplifts each other. Together, we build a future where every step is taken with confidence and every dream is within reach. Section 6. Start your journey today. A simple call, a world of possibilities. Don't let the complexities of immigration hold you back. The American dream is within reach. Navis Automation provides the tools and support to make it a reality. Take the first step today, schedule a call on their website, speak with their team, discover how they can help you navigate the I-134A process and unlock your American dream. Your future awaits.